Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk through how to integrate Excel with Monday.com. First up, you need to have an Excel file ready and your Monday.com account open. Why this matters is because we need to have data that we can integrate into Monday.com and the place where we will integrate it. Now, on your Monday.com account, locate the Integration Center. You'll find this in the left sidebar menu. The reason we do this is because this is where you can connect Monday.com with other applications, including Excel. After you've clicked on Integrations, look for Excel among the listed apps and click Add. This helps us because it starts the process of connecting Monday.com to your Excel data. Next up, you'll need to upload your Excel file. Click on Add from Computer and locate the file you want to integrate. We're doing this to import your Excel data into Monday.com. With your Excel file uploaded, you'll need to map your Excel columns to your Monday.com board's columns. This is super important because it ensures that your data lands in the right place when it's imported. Once you've done that, click on Run to start the integration process. Now here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is pulling data from your Excel file and organizing it according to the column mapping you've just set up. After a few moments, your data will be in your Monday.com board, integrated and ready to work with. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Excel with Monday.com. Remember, the goal of this integration is to streamline your data management and foster better team collaboration. So, I hope this guide has been helpful. You're now ready to take your project management to the next level. Thanks for joining. And until next time, happy integrating.